Hey everybody, welcome back to Lewin Global Unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the COMISO X26M, and it is a Bluetooth portable speaker. And the information I have on this is that it is it is IPX5 waterproof, and what that means is you can have water splashed on it or sprayed on it, but you cannot immerse it in water. You cannot submerge this in water. If you do, it's basically gone. So that's the kind of waterproofing it has. And this bad boy is about 6 ounces and it's 3 inches tall and about 2 inches wide. Okay, you guys see that right here? Is touch sensitive. That's how the controls are. Touch. This little hook right here. And this one has a 360 surround sound on it. You see it goes all the way around. Okay, but that is the top view, and this is the bottom view here. And this bad boy supposedly has 12 hours playtime, so we're gonna have to test that real quick. And also, you can pair, if you have another one of these, you can pair them together and have like a surround sound. So the model of speaker here is pairable. That's the kind of speaker it is. They call it TWS function. All right, now let's see what we have here. See that? In here we have a micro SD card slot, a headphone jack, you guys can see that, and a little micro USB connection for charging there. So that's what those are in there. You guys can see that. Sorry for the lighting, guys. The lighting right now is like kind of a mess, but hopefully you guys see that. And I'm not sure if it's fully charged or not, but I'm going to peel this little plastic off here. Get that out of here. Alright, see, that way you guys can see it better. You can see the play, volume up and down, pause. Good stuff. Now let's see what else is in this little box. You get little line-in cables so you can connect it to whatever you want. Basically any thing that has a headphone jack on it. And here's your charging cable. A little belt clip. And just some instructions and your little guide. That's about it. That's all that comes in there. Now, let's see if it has some power. What I'm going to do is I'm going to install a micro SD card here. And you guys can see my lighting sucks right now. Inside and see if it has any power. So let me get this installed real quick and turn it on and see if it has any juice in it. This is YouTube friendly music, so should be okay. Alright. Alright, it's turned on. I'm spinning it around here. I like it already, it's pretty loud. And it's at the maximum volume. It beeps, so you can't get higher, any higher than that. So guys, this thing is pretty loud. That 360 surround high definition sound, that is amazing, guys. It is pretty good. I like it already. It is very loud for a little speaker that this size. That is really loud. Really, really loud. I like that. Okay, guys, so to go forward on a track or go previous track, you have to long press the volume button, so that'll send it to another track, and fast pressing it increases the volume. Okay, let's press it real quick, volume goes up. Press it long, skip to another track. Okay. This thing was vibrating all over the place. That's how good the bass on this thing was. So this little thing is nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Very good. Very, very, very good. So I ran this all the way through after I charged it, and I got about 11 hours. So I don't know if that, is bad. It says it gets 12, but I got 11. So, maybe it's different because of the music I'm listening to. It's using more power. So that could be another thing. The bass and stuff is just using more, it's drawing more power. So that might make it less than what it's supposed to. But it's a great speaker. I love it right now. So what I'm probably going to do is get another one. If this one is so good in a pair, they're probably the best speakers ever. But these little speakers are great. Very good. So thank you guys for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.